She's coming!
Carolyn, that's not the way.
Here she comes!
Why are you crawling? That's going to be slow. Your friends are waiting at the top of the slide.
Oh, she's coming! She's coming!
Hold on to my back. Because here we go.
Whoa!
Let's do that again. Go on. Stand up. Left down. Here. Go with it. This is the up way.
Yeah, that is the way up, Gav.
Yep, I want someone else to come.
Alicia's over there, Carolyn.
Can I take a picture of you?
Carolyn's almost there. I'm going to be in the back.
Oh, are you going to be the back of the trainings?
That was very brave.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! Oh, who's the front, Gavin?
Yeah.
Woohoo! How was that?
I was trying to figure out what happened to Gavin.
Let's go.